What if with a few simple techniques and a little creativity in post, you can make shots look smoother, deeper, and even impossible? Today, that's exactly what I'll show you. Movement is the easiest and fastest way to elevate your B-roll. Motion gives the viewer somewhere to go. It adds energy, tension, curiosity, and most importantly, it tells a story without saying a word. There's a reason it's called motion pictures. But there's a problem. Without a little creativity, most slider shots start to look the same. Slide left, slide right, push in, hit the end of the rail, reset, and repeat. You're literally limited by a piece of metal. They're smooth, sure, but predictable. Sliders fix the biggest problem in beginner B-roll: shakiness and inconsistent movement. Sliders give you perfect, repeatable motion. It's basically an instant filmmaker button, smooth, controlled, cinematic movement at your fingertips. That's where you need to start changing things up. I believe there are 3 core techniques every creator should master. So let's cover a few of the basic slider shots and how to instantly upgrade them. The push in and pull out. This is where the camera slowly moves towards or away from the subject. This works great for products, setups, and storytelling inserts. And the quickest way to elevate these shots is to add something moving within the shot, because adding in motion within a slider shot doubles up the intrigue for the viewer. The lateral slide is exactly that. It slides across the subject to create a natural parallax. This adds depth even with small sliders. And an instant way to elevate the shots is to use objects in the foreground. This creates great opportunities to do reveal transitions within the same slider motion that really adds intrigue and keeps the viewer subconsciously guessing what's coming next. And by adding in a subtle digital zoom effect in post, you really add to that secondary motion that once again elevates the shot. A simple slider move is surface level filmmaking, a nice steady shot. But using sliders with repeatable motion opens the door for some great visual storytelling. Within that simple shot and some simple editing, that one shot turns into a complex build-out like an everyday carry, or a desk setup reveal, or a cleanup montage in a single slider move. These 3 techniques alone level up your B-roll and slider shots. Once you understand that the slider is a motion control rig and you can shoot multiple passes, stack those shots, combine them, and mask and edit them creatively, that's when things start feeling impossible. Here's a hard truth though. Even the best sliders have a hard limit. You can't slide through objects, and you can't create impossible physics. And at a certain point, no lens or rig can physically go where your brain wants the camera to go. But that limitation is exactly where today's sponsor comes in. Luma AI's Ray 3 becomes a powerful creative companion. It takes your text, images, and video and turns them into high-quality, realistic 4K HDR videos. It actually understands the creative intent. I used Ray 3 to create an impossible transition. I wanted the shot to start dolling into a coffee mug and then fly into the mug and reveal the coffee beans. Here's how I set it up. First, start with a real frame. It could be a product, a person, or anything that you want. It could be the last frame of an existing shot. And in this case, I used a shot of a coffee mug being picked up in front of a fire. I told Ray 3 to fly into the coffee mug and reveal the coffee beans, which was my end frame. And I was able to iterate really fast in draft mode, which is 5 times faster and cheaper in credits, so I could try multiple ideas until I found the one I loved. Once I had one, I rendered that final in hi-fi 4K HDR, then I edited the shots together in my favorite LLE. And I love that it starts with a real shot and ends with a real shot. This was one idea finished with the help of AI. And this is just scratching the surface of what Luma AI can do. Ray 3 Modify is Luma's latest breakthrough. Modify can relight your scenes, change environments, build worlds, re-costume characters, all while preserving the underlying performance. It doesn't replace your shots, it respects them. It preserves the physical logic and the performance of the real footage while letting you transform the visuals in ways that behave as if they were shot on set. This is hybrid filmmaking. If you want to try Ray 3 yourself, I'll have my link in the description box below. Now, even if you don't have a slider handy and you want to get slider style shots, what really matters is movement. The smoother, the better. A little motion instantly makes your B-roll feel more cinematic, more intentional, and way less like a static product shot. And if you remember only one thing from this video, it's that motion is the most important. It brings your shots to life. It's so powerful with or without gear. If you're new to filmmaking, a slider is one of the best teachers you can buy. It trains your eye for motion, composition, and intentional filmmaking. And when your creative ideas grow bigger than your gear, tools like Ray 3 let you finish a shot inside your imagination. You can try it yourself in the link below, fix it in camera, finesse it in post, and sometimes finish with AI. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.